So, first vlog for the day, Sunday, April 28, 2024. So, alam natin yung PESEL, di ba? Yung political, economic, socio-cultural, and technological, legal, and environmental. Pero pag binaliktad mo, PESTEL, pwede rin yun. Pero hindi natin alam sinong naka-imbento nun. Ginamit daw yon noong 1967 ni Professor Aguilar noong 1967, known in its early initials as ETPS. ETPS yun yung bago naging PESTEL o PESEL, ETPS muna. So yun yung brief history about PESTEL or PESEL analysis na kailangan alam natin kung sino yung naka-imbento. Si Professor Aguilar noong 1967. So almost 50 years pa lang itong analysis na to pero nagagamit. So yun lang po.